could you be carrying around 5, 10, even 50 extra pounds of body weight, not because of what you eat, but solely due to what you drink? Many people are drinking a large hamburger and fries worth of calories every single day and don't even realize it. Drink any one of these and you've downed 30 teaspoons of sugar. Think of it this way. Would you put this much sugar on your cereal? Not if your mom was watching. That's 480 added calories. And if you're downing one of these every day, in a month's time, that adds up to 20 cups of sugar going through your body. All that sugar is packing on the pounds and overworking your pancreas. And that's a quick path to getting type 2 diabetes. Oh, and your pancreas isn't the only thing that's paying for it. Your wallet is too. At the going convenience store rate, it adds up to $35 or more a month. Change your beverage habits. Cut out this liquid candy and instead start drinking 5 or more glasses of water, and to get great hydration and good nutrients for the day, 3 glasses of fat-free milk and 2 small glasses of juice each day. With this new beverage menu, I guarantee you'll not only save money, but you won't have room for those sinister sodas anymore. And the bonus? You'll see the pounds disappear.